Hi friends, today I received this product of Amazon and I want to try with you. This is a 5 pieces cover set for your bedroom, for your bed. So let's go open it and try it. So let's so we can see together if it looks fine. Came in this bag. I think this is great because you can put your cover set here when you don't need it. So here are all the pieces. Came two of these for your pillows. We're gonna use it in a few minutes. Okay. This blanket. This one, that is the down part. And this, that is the divot. So, first, this one. I can say that the materials feels so good. It's a good feeling, feels soft. And the color is gorgeous and it's perfect for any decoration because it's like a neutral color. So this is the first step. Now the blanket. You can buy this product in different sizes. Finally, the best part. Let me show you. This one have this texture that I think that is beautiful, and put this special touch in your bed. And finally, the pillows. I have these ones. So I just put it inside. So as you can see, I put it really quick and so easy. My bed looks beautiful. The texture of this set is perfect. The color is gorgeous. And you can wash it in your wash machine without problems. So I highly recommend this product for your bedroom. See you.